Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Merly Piquero Bon. I live in Ragay, Camarines, Philippines. I'm 38 years old. I'm widow. I have 3 kids.
Do you have experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. In Kuwait,
Taking care of
newborn baby.
Okay, since you have experience in taking care of a newly born baby, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you take care of it?
I will give milk, changing diaper, changing clothes.
Do you know how to sing a lullaby song or
Yes,
nursery
ma'am.
rhyme?
Yes,
Give
ma'am.
me example.
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Do you have long patience?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
How about Filipino food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like,
Adobo, sinigang, and nilaga.
are you willing to take your day off set by your employer even up on Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you handle your homesick?
I focus my work.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I give my future my 3 kids.
What are the duties and responsibilities of a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and marketing.
Finally, what is your message for your future employer?
Ma'am and sir, please hire me. If you hired me, I will do all my duties and responsibilities, and I will taking care of your baby as my own. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you.